Hello my friends, welcome to another wonderful video. Today we're talking about finishing projects. Have you ever been in this situation here? Like you've got something you made and you never finished it, you just sort of had it. This is an example of that kind of project. So in these situations, the worst thing you could do as a beat maker, producer, whatever you are, is not to finish. Yes, I know I did not finish. In fact, I make many horrible beats like this. But the point is, the worst thing you could do is not to finish. So in this video, we'll look at how to transform a loop into a finished project. And I will start now and try to give you as much value as I can in a few minutes. Yes, I'm sure you enjoyed listening to that. So that's another example of a bad project. So the next thing, when you've got a project like this, first, the most important thing is respect your work. It doesn't matter how you feel about your project. It's a piece of art. In many ways, maybe you at that point you were a bit tired, things were not the way things were supposed to be, but that doesn't mean you cannot finish your idea. The greatest respect you can give to your work is to make sure that you finish it. So the first that we do is we're gonna set some constraints to limit ourselves so that we can focus and not overthink and make sure we finish the project as best as possible. So I hope that's been quite beneficial. But as you can see, even though I was using the same sounds that were on the project, I could only add 2 sounds. The beautiful thing is like when you allow yourself, when you put yourself in a box, you usually get better ideas. So sometimes just remove all the other options and you've got less decisions to make. The less decisions you make, the more creative you are. So hopefully this helps you not to have any loops, and if you've got any loops today, I urge you, go back and you'll be able to get some really nice gems out of those projects. So I'll leave this FLP as well for you to download if you wanna dabble with this thing, and see you in the next video.